Assalamualaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Khanjoya, assistant teacher of English National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take BGS class for the student of 9 student. So student, look at the board first. Our today's topic is chapter 1, section 1.1. and our lecture number is 1. Again I am saying our today's topic is chapter 1, section 1.1 and lecture number 1. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board student, this is chapter 1. What is the name of the chapter 1? The political movement in East Bengal and the rise of nationalism 1947 to 1970. On 14 August 1947, the colonial rules of the British Raj ended and gave birth to independent nations called India and Pakistan. When colonial rule ended, then two nation birth. Which were two nations? India and Pakistan. Pakistan was divided into two parts. The eastern part of Bengal was named East Pakistan and the other part was called West Pakistan. This East Pakistan is now today's Bangladesh. Since the beginning Pakistan, here is the Pakistan. So I write the full meaning of the Pakistan. Since the beginning, Pakistan had been based in the rich section of the West Pakistan, which employed their power to control the language, literature, culture, economy, as well as the social system of East Pakistan. Okay, and created discrimination. The West Pakistan, which employed their power to control the language, literature, culture, economy, as well as the social system of East Pakistan. Finally says that West Pakistan controlled the whole power of East Pakistan and created discrimination. The people of East Pakistan organized protest against the injustice and discrimination and started agitation and mass movement. The language movement took place to defend the mother tongue, Bangla. The spirit of the language movement encouraged the people of East Bengal to gradually launch agitation, demonstration and mass involvement against the communal rule of Pakistan. When East Pakistan employed the whole power control on the social system of East Pakistan, then people of East Pakistan organized protest against the injustice and discrimination of West Pakistan. Then the language movement took place to defend the mother tongue, Bangla. The spirit of the language movement encouraged the people of East Bengal to gradually launch agitation, demonstration and mass movement against the communal rule of Pakistan. Our national unity was urged on the identity based on language, history, tradition and Bengali nationalism. This national unification is called the Bengali nationalism. So what is called the nationalism? The national unity was urged on the identity based on language, history, tradition and Bengali nationalism. This national unification is called the Bengali nationalism. Then section 1. The role of the language movement for flourishing the Bengali nationalism. The role of the language movement for flourishing the Bengali nationalism. for flourishing the Bengali nationalism, there is the many big role of the language movement. Okay, as Muhammad Ali Jinnah proposed Urdu as the official language of Muslim League in 1937, Sher-e-Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq, a veteran leader of Bengal, protested against it. As Muhammad Ali Jinnah proposed Urdu as the official language of Muslim League, then Sher-e-Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq protested against it. On 17 May 1947, Chaudhuri Khaliquzzaman, Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed proposed Urdu as the state language of Pakistan. Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah, Professor Dr. Muhammad Inamul Haq, and people from all walks of life raised their voice to declare Bangla as the state language of Pakistan instead. Then next, Chaudhuri Khaliquzzaman, Ziauddin Ahmed proposed that Urdu as the state language of Pakistan. Then Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah, Professor Muhammad Inamul Haq, and people from all walks of life raised their voice to declare Bangla as the state language of Pakistan instead. The Pakistan government imposed Section 144 and banned meetings and rallies, banned reading and rallies. The then leader of Pakistan, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, at the top was among other political prisoners, demanded of Bangla as a state language. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, then that time Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the top political prisoners, and he also demanded that Bangla is the state language. Students observed an agitation on 4 February in Dhaka. A resolution was adopted for a general strike on 21st February, which was to also be observed as the state language. 4 February, students observed an agitation in Dhaka. A resolution was adopted for a general strike. This agitation adopted for a general strike on 21st February, and that day was observed as the state language day. The government imposed Section 144 since 21st February onwards and banned all meetings, rallies, procession for a month. The leader mobilized the movement, decided to violate the Section 144 and bring out a small procession. Though the government imposed Section 144 since 21st February onwards, all the bans and banned all the meeting, rallies and procession for a month, then the leader mobilized the movement and decided to violate the section. Though Pakistani army imposed section and the Bengali leader decided to violate the Section 144 and bring out a small procession. This procession approached from Dhaka Medical College. At first, the police made some arrests and later hurled the tear gas at one stage as the police opened fire on the protesters. Abul Barkat, Jabbar, Rafiq, Salam and others became martyrs. Then the mass people, the students, together erected a Shohid Minar in front of the medical college on 21st February. Okay, this is the background and this is the history of our 21st February. Development of nationalism. Because we know that the role of language movement for the flourish of the Bengali nationalism. The Bengali nationalism mainly based on the language movement. Now we read that the development of nationalism. The language movement, which was the primary step to develop the Bengali nationalism. United the Bengalis first. And this also started realizing the significance of politics, economy, education and culture. So that we say that the language movement, that is the language movement was the primary step to develop the Bengali nationalism. Bengali nationalism rising from the language movement and united the Bengalis first. This also started realizing the Bengalis the significance of politics, economy and education and culture. Then last one is the Mother Day and International Mother Language Day. We know that the International Mother Language Day and the Mother Day are the same. The 21st February has been observing as the Mother Day since 1953. The United Nations UNESCO recognized 21st February the Mother Day of Bangladesh as the International Mother Language Day on 17 November 1999. Since 1953, 21st February has been observed as Mother Day. But in 1999, the United Nations UNESCO organized 21st February the Mother Day of Bangladesh as the International Mother Language Day, and in 21st February all whole world as observed Mother Day and International Mother Language Day. So my dear student, I hope you have understood today's discussion. So practice at home and practice it at home and stay at home. See you again inshallah.